Hello everyone, welcome back to Clam Series. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the Tom and Jerry theme song. Let's get started. Speaking about this, I've realized that 62.2% of those watching the video right now are not subscribed to my channel. If you are part of them, totally no pressure, but a subscription from you will be very immeasurable. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to play the Love Nwantiti song by CK, now trending on TikTok. Be sure to subscribe so that I don't miss this tutorial when it drops.